Gwilym, and I'm a case officer for Care and Repair RCT.
Bodman, and I'm a casework officer for Care and Repair RCT.
Julia Burgess, and I'm also a casework officer for Care and Repair RCT. Basically, we all visit the elderly to try and get repairs done in their homes. An elderly client will ring in and make an inquiry. Could be for a repair for a tap or a leaking roof, any sort of small or large repair. The inquiry will come to one of us, and we'll actually go out and visit them and try and find funding for them to get the repairs done in their homes. And at the same time, we take the iPads with us to try and get them digitally included.
Well, we always have to come back to the office to check anything on our database. The beauty of these is now that when we're with a client, we can pull up their details there and then and find out everything that's going on with jobs that are in the system already, and also update, our notes, their financial information, and anything we need to check is there at hand.
It also means that we get to spend a bit more time with the client as well, because we haven't got to rush back to the office to get this information. It's all there with us. So basically it means that the clients get to have us for that little bit longer, which some of them, they just want to sit and chat. So, to do something like that and spend a little bit of extra time with them is nice for them, really.
Well, usually if we're taking photographs of a problem in their house, we show them those, and that tends to get them interested straight away, because obviously they can see a photo of whatever the problem is. We also then sit down and go through things like Skyping. A lot of elderly people have got family that don't live near their houses, and obviously is something that they can access to keep in touch with family. Shopping as well, shopping online. A lot of our clients are housebound, so it's handy for them to be able to have the shopping delivered and do it from the comfort of their armchair. I think things like Kindle as well, because they can make the print larger, and if they've got eyesight problems, and there's a lot of things we go through.
When we go to events, we take this with us as well, and we show our digital story on there. So we can show clients then who come to, if we set up a stand, we have these on display, and the clients can see a digital story of like before and afters of jobs that we've done in the past on here then, so that it's better to see it in pictures instead of just having to print them all off and take them.
I'd have to buy my own.
Yeah,
we definitely lost with us.
It would be going back in time then, wouldn't it? It's nice. I can't imagine a future without them, really.
No, it'd be strange not to have them now.
Yeah.
And we can access our emails and diaries and everything as well when we're out on site. So if we're with a client and we need to rearrange a visit for some reason, we can do it there and then. We can contact the office if we need to discuss something with the technical officer. So it is they're very, very useful, and they are used practically 24 hours a day. If we didn't sleep, they would be used 24 hours a day.